guys? I'm back with the new trade recap. We're going to go over the play that we took today. 65% gainer. We were one and done. So let's just go over it real quick. So, hold on. I got to move my phone because it might get staticky. So, let's go back to the 4 hour. So, like I've said in previous videos, my strategy is all about preparing the day before. You already know exactly where you should enter and, to either direction, right? So as you see here on the 4 hour, I automatically have my setup. We have this 4 hour inside. We've also had this other inside, which is another 4 hour that turns into a daily, right? So it was like inside, inside after inside. So a lot of people, well, not a lot, but someone asked me today, why did I focus on AMD instead of, because on the watch list we had PLTR, we had MSFT, and they asked me why did I focus on AMD instead of those. The reason why, guys, is because when I see a stock have multiple insides, in this case scenario it does, I'm going to focus on that more than just one inside, right? Which in this case scenario you have MSFT, and look how it played. If you didn't catch this wick, then you probably went red, right? So yeah, when you ever see a stock that has multiple insides, that should be your priority setup, because it's basically telling you it's been rangy for a couple days and then the break is going to be strong, right? So yeah, so we have this 4 hour inside of another inside, and then we have a daily inside, which is over here, right? In this case scenario, guys, when we went into the 15-minute time frame, as you see, look how it played out. I don't know why it does that, but when we opened up today, where was the opening? 9:30 candle right here. So this was opening today. As you see, we kind of wicked above this 21 EMA. We never triggered for calls whatsoever, because we know that if AMD crossed this 105.79 level, we're automatically trying to get into those calls, right? But it never did. Came wicked off of it actually by a little bit. And yeah, so we get this candle close, which is the opening candle. Right here I am looking at AMD. I'm thinking, okay, if this candle closes below, I need to see on the 5-minute that my VWAP is also closed below, right? Because I want to see those multiple confluences. So let's go into the 5-minute. My 5-minute VWAP, right? This is a opening candle, which is 10 minutes into the market. It's still in that 15-minute candle range, right? So on the 15, not on the 15, on the 5, we get that VWAP closed. Look, we have that nice strong close. So now, once that 15-minute candle closes fully, what do we do again on the 5? We close below the 5-minute VWAP. So in this case scenario right here, I'm alerting AMD 104 puts, and I said early entry. This is an early entry to me, because realistically, I'm not supposed to be entering a trade until it finally breaks this area, right? Which is my 4 hour inside low. And from there, I'm shorting it all the way to my daily inside low. And I know if my daily inside low gets broken, guess what? We caught ourselves a banger, right? So right here in my head, right, I already got that confirmation off both my EMAs and my VWAP. So I enter puts right here. I want to say it's right here because I alerted at, hold on, let me try to show you guys. Let me exit this big screen. So I alerted puts right here at 9:44 a.m., which is literally right before this candle closes. So we got filled around here, because this is the new candle. Yeah, so we got filled around here. So now that we have early entry, let's take it back already. I know in the back of my mind, like I said, 15-minute already confirmed, VWAP already confirmed on the 5. So now we're in the play, right? We're in the play. Let's let it play out. In this case scenario, right, all I am waiting is for that, like I said, third confluence, the cross of my 4 hour inside. Hold on, let me make this big screen. The cross of my 4 hour inside, right? And in midst of that, like I always said, I want a FVG to back me up. I put my stop loss over here, guys, because as you see on the 15 minute, it's kind of a level of resistance, right? That was support. Even on the 5. You see it on the 5. We had these multiple bounces. We finally come down, confirmed that resistance. We tried to break through. We couldn't. We're finally back below. Now I'm going to put my stop loss right here. So, right, in this case scenario, once my 5-minute FVG forms, now I'm going to move my stop loss to this FVG, right? Because I'm looking for that rejection. So, as of right now, this is what my setup is looking like. And then, boom, once again, on the 5-minute, we're still well below that VWAP. What do we create? We create that FVG, right? Your inputs. I should have clicked cells here, but we're in puts here. Right now, we have that multiple confirmation because we want to see our 4-hour inside low get taken and our daily inside low, right? Which initially that's what happens. And then in midst of that, we create that FVG. Now you can move your stop loss from here to here. We're already damn near trimming here. Like, we're already up. And then guess what? We have that nice pullback. All we do is test that daily inside low. Once again, we're still below the VWAP on the 15-minute. We're still well below your EMAs, right? 21 is your last line of defense on the 15. And then, boom, right here, I got out. It gave me 65%. And, yeah, I got out right here. But as you see, you could have still held, right? And this is well over 100% play. So, let's go back. Like I said, we get that 20% at 9.55. There goes that 30, 40, 60. And then, yeah, so here is the before, like I said. That's the before. Now, this is the after when we were approaching TP. And this is where we finally get it. That was a 1.6 gain. And then I'm going to take you back to my IWM play. So IWM, when we opened up, the day before, it didn't have my setup. It didn't have no inside. But once again, once you built your arsenal, you could kind of take advantage of these plays, right? So in this case scenario, yesterday I seen that we created this 1-hour FVG. I marked it out. Let's go into the 5-minute. Where is the opening candle? Okay, so this is the opening candle today. So this is what I took. This was the opening candle today. Yeah, this is 9:35. Where did I get filled on me? Hold on, let me check the email to confirm. Hold on. Okay, order to buy. Okay, I literally got in right at open because I got it filled at 9:33 a.m. So I got in right at open. Once again, closed below my VWAP. We held through, and we also had this fair value gap that turned into an infair value gap in the midst of that. So I was waiting for that rejection. We initially got that, right? We have this nice close below. And then on the 15-minute, I was seeing that we were still rejecting this 21 EMA. This is that opening candle. So literally, I seen that big wick off of it. Got into puts. Didn't even wait for the candle to close. Seen this infair value gap right here. And I took the play. I sold some here, and then I sold some over here. I hit these for 40%, I believe. So, yeah, quick snipe. I got filled at 0.85. Let me see what I sold at. And I got filled at 115. So, yeah, quick little 40%er here. Very quick snipe. I didn't alert this one though, because this was on my small account, and I was in, like I said, this is not my initial setup. Hold on. And this was the screenshot that I got. You see, 115. But yeah, guys, that was the trade recaps of both plays. We've had a very good week. And like I said, let's keep building that momentum. If price acts right, we are good. So, yeah, if you guys have any questions, like I said, just add me in the chat.